Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I work with Technology. My name is Sridharan Nair. As a part of a series of our cybersecurity awareness workshop, empowering the window keepers. I call them window keepers. 95 to 98% people who are working, our employees are very honest, very sincere. Okay. And they are called as a window keeper. The responsibility is to empower them. And they make error is only because of lack of information. And these window keepers needs to be trained, needs to be empowered. On this series, we are going to cover all this. I have already put up that email security, that is how to safely use. That particular link will be given below. For this, we are going to talk about safe web browsing. Okay, most of the time we are on the browser. How do you do safe browsing? And if I'm successful in inculcating this habit of safe browsing, I can assure that the chances of cyber criminal attacking will be reduced drastically. Okay, let's take the tips. The first one is keep the browsers, whatever browsers you're using. You may be using the Mozilla, you may be using the Google Chrome, the Explorer, Edge, whatever. Okay, make sure that they are updated. The second one is whenever you visit a website, okay, check on the HTTPS, number one, the padlock. Okay, the third one is avoid clicking on ads and offer. Whenever you get something and you said you're being given saying that there's an offer and everything, please avoid clicking on that. Okay, bookmark the most frequently that you go to the site, bookmark them. Okay, then avoid direct clicking. Now, if you look at this particular kind of email that you get across, there are a lot of website links which they are asking you to click on. Avoid clicking those things. Then comes up is verify your antivirus. I know for sure that if you're working in a mid-sized corporate or a large enterprise, you are taken care of. But the most affected people are the SMB, where you have either one IT executive supporting your maintenance contract and everything, or you would have outsourced the services to someone. Okay, so just make sure that this is taken care of. Exercise caution in downloading software on your laptop. Avoid them, reduce them if possible. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video. Okay, and if you like it, as requested, please share it across with your friends, family, and everyone. I don't know who would need it. Okay, as with Technology, we offer our clients who are under contract with us the preventive maintenance, on-site support, remote call support is there. Apart from that, we provide the cybersecurity awareness workshop training for the employees, specifically for the small, medium businesses. Okay, because that is the attack. That is the place where cyber criminals are aware that they are not well trained, they are not well informed, and IT security health checkup. As I said, is your antivirus updated? Do you have a good firewall? Do you have all this kind of things? Security checkup is what we do across. It's a real pleasure talking to you. Have a lovely day.